Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can relight your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to show you first for like outdoors what you can do with this relight feature. This is a pro feature, by the way, so scroll down and select relight. And so for this one, I like to add in the facial relights. There's warm, soft, I don't know what it says here. You can also select the color and the intensity here as well. You can see that the orange is here, so I'm just going to grab it and add it to like the direction of her face. You can also select object, people, or background. So if you select people, it's only going to be applied to her. Only the background is going to be applied to background, and then there's both. There's also point and directional. And that's mostly for like outdoors or like this one as well. Again, you can select the intensity here and only apply it just to the person here if you'd like to. There is also ambient, where I like to apply it if it's like indoors and like dark a little bit. So on this video, I'm just going to select, for instance, this one, and I'm going to select just the people here. And I'm just going to place this light a little bit closer, and I'm going to select a purplish color because I want to. You can also again adjust the intensity, radius, and there's also distance here as well. There's also some highlights that you can adjust here and some brightness as well. There's also creative and presets. Creative is like moving lights, as you can see here. You can just play around with it though. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!